To the owners, the managers, the ones who lead, welcome back your teams who help you succeed. It's a new way of working at distance, they say, but we'll carry on. It's the Yorkshire way. We welcome back Dan's weak cups of tea and Sarah's incredible lunchtime victories. And when it's time once again to recruit some new faces, to rebuild and go to exciting new places, let's look to the future to start from new, rebuild, reconnect, and recruit with glue.